So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find new construction homes for rent here on apartments.com. So once you're on apartments.com, I want you to go to the location area, type in the location. I'll just do Toronto for this demonstration and then press on search. Once you're then on the search page here, I want you to go to like the top right area to where it says all filters and press on that. Then just scroll down to where it says home styles right here and make sure that new construction is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on see results. Now, all the listings that you guys will be seeing will be classified as new construction. So if you're looking for new construction homes, apartments, condos, townhouses, etc., it'll all be right here at your disposal. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find new construction homes, condos, etc. for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.